Good day. So for today's video, I would be able to discuss or present the exercise 4 with the instruction. Create a Java program that implements these three sorting algorithms: merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. Allow the user to choose which algorithm they would like to use to sort the list. Then compare the performance of each sorting algorithm by measuring the time taken for sorting. So we have here the code. We have here the main class, which is the sorting algorithm, and then na-indicate na dariya ang kung dariya nakabutang ang katong mga naka-randomize, like ma-randomize ang pag-pick nimo sa number, and then naapod diri ang to choose a right sorting algorithm, which is if i-press nimo ang 1 or i-enter nimo ang 1, mulabas ang merge sort or ma-sort siya into merge, and then 2 is ma-sort siya into quick sort, and then 3 is ma-sort siya into heap sort. And then we have here the code also for the merge sort implementation, merge sort implementation. So ito ma-implement ang merge sort, and also we have the quick sort implementation and the heap sort implementation. So if atoan na siyang iparan, ang mulabas ana is enter the size of the array. So let's just, for example, is mag-enter ta og 5. So automatic papilion kaniya kung unsang algorithm ang imuhang gamiton. So let's just say nga gamiton nako si quick sort. So let's just enter the number 2, and then tara na-sort siya into quick sort. Then ang iyahapong time taken is mulabas gihapon. So that's all. Mauto ang dagan sa code or sa ang gihatag nga exercise. So that's all. Thank you.